Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I will reorganize my pantry. It's about time I get this done. I have a lot of old electronics I no longer use. I have a lot of food in there that some needs to get thrown away, or a lot of open bags that need to go in cute little jars. So my main goal here is to show you how to do it. How to make your pantry look beautiful, organized, and not having to spend so much money, okay? So let me go ahead and show you how it looks back here. Do not get scared. Here we go. Okay, so my pantry, it's a mess. This is one of the closets we come in and out of the most all year round, 7-8 times a day, literally. This is something I've been trying to get done for a very, very long time. I think all my friends and family already know, like, dude, you've been saying you're gonna clean out your pantry and you never clean out your pantry. I know, but guess what? I'm just so tired because in this house, we're always having little parties, get-togethers, carne asadas, you know, and one thing that gets opened every single time, it's this pantry, and this is so embarrassing. I want my pantry to be beautiful, so when my suegra comes over, my friends come over, I am not embarrassed to open this door, you know. It needs to just be cute. So the first thing I am going to do is clean this out at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, guys, it's now nice and clean. I took everything out. I threw all the stuff I no longer want away. And I found a lot of stuff that needs new little homes, like cute little jars. So that's my next step. So come along, I'm gonna come and show you. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do next is I am going to grab a Sharpie and I am going to label all of these jars depending on what opened dry goods I already have in the pantry. For example, the sugar, I'm gonna go ahead and put one in the sugar. These popcorn seeds, I'm gonna go ahead and get one that's about that size, and I'm gonna put popcorn seeds in there, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the expiration date. Like coconut sugar that's already been opened, I go ahead and get one of these and put the coconut sugar in there, and you know, etc., etc. My chiles, you know, you guys just get the point, right? So that's exactly what we're about to go ahead and do. So let's get this going. My coconut sugar. September 24th, 2020. How cute is that? My popcorn. Moms, so now the next step is going into the pantry and putting all of the good stuff back in here in their cute little jars. I also, another way to organize is buying cute little baskets like the ones I have here. These I got at my local thrift store. These come so much in handy because they help things stay organized in your pantry. For example, right here, you could go ahead and put, I don't know, your bread, cereal, stuff like that you're always, replacing weekly. So yeah, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start just putting back everything in there and just letting you watch me, okay? In this basket, I'm gonna go ahead and put some appliances that I hardly ever use, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put them on top of the pantry, okay? This big basket right here, some appliances will go in here. I have this big oversized basket right here that I'm gonna slide in the bottom, and this has our dog food in it. We do save our dog food in the pantry, but you could hide it really nice in this big, huge basket. So in this cute little basket, I went ahead and put my bread, some bagels, my tamal leaves, hojas de tamales, and stuff like that, okay? In this one, I put my disposable items like paper plates, spoons, napkins, little cups, stuff like that. In this one, I went ahead and put my pasta boxes, chips, stuff like that. Right here I have my coconut flour, oats, almond flour, my dates, and my chile de color back there. All of my cookbooks, this beautiful jarra from Mexico, which is so pretty. Down there, I put my rice maker, my food dehydrator. Like I said, my bread. I have some cookies. That is an adorable fish I bought at a thrift store, so I just left it there. A couple of cans right there, because I hardly ever use cans. And my juices right here. This is pretty much it. This is the end of my video. I hope that this is very helpful to you. It gives you really good ideas on how to decorate your pantry. But like I said, I hope this video helps you and gives you ideas on how to organize your pantry, how to make it look beautiful and functional and convenient for you and your family. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe. I will be making more videos like this. So like, comment, subscribe, and give it a thumbs up, and leave me down there a comment, more video ideas. Bye guys, God bless.